13 members present, Mr. Chair.
With 13 members present, we have a quorum.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
move to approve the agenda with amendments.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Huertas. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next item, the reading and approval of the Journal of Proceedings.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes, Member Pacanya.
move to dispense the reading, approval of the proceedings, minutes of the members of the meeting, 2025 Mr. Chairman.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Huertas, Member Shakur. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved. We recognize the presence of students from Espirition F. Incabo Memorial High School and also students from Tomas Cavili National High School. Welcome. Thank you.
We go to the next item, referral of business. First item is referred to the committee chair on land use plan.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. Good afternoon, Sir Secretary. I respectfully move, this is a letter, Mr. Chair, dated November 14, 2025 from your sale, endorsing the letter dated November 13, 2025 from Nino L. Laurente, Uno Barangay of Oriental City, Iligan City. Regarding the resolution number 07-103 series of 2025, entitled a resolution requesting City Mayor Frederick Shaw to the Salunyang Pangmusolubigan City to approve the reclassification or declaration of the city-owned land identified as lot number 1 located at City of Fuentes Barangay, representing City from highway or industrialized zone to residential zone. In this juncture, Mr. Chair, respectfully move that the resolution be passed, forwarding the said barangay resolution, as mentioned earlier, to the City Board of Zoning Appeals and Development Control, as well as to the City Assessor's Office for their evaluation, assessment, and recommendation. So move, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Yang, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Inguro. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
We go to item number 2, which is referred to committee on laws and good governance.
Since the chairperson is
Yes.
absent, Mr. Chair, we will take over. This is concluded, Mr. Chair. Item number 2.
Noted, Member Yang.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. I move for the approval of resolution endorsing the calendar year 2026 5% Iligan City Disaster Recovery Management Fund, composed of the 30% Quick Response Fund and 70% Disaster Prevention and Mitigation, Preparedness, Response Recovery, and Rehabilitation, in the amount of 183,086,337 pesos and 35 centavos. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
It has been moved by Member Goro, seconded by Member Sweet, Member Pacanya, Member Belmonte. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing objection, here reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said resolution, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
The motion.
We go to the next item, letter I, messages from the Honorable City Mayor. First item, with the Chair on laws.
From this motion, Mr. Chair, it is respectfully moved, Mr. Chair, that the resolution be passed, authorizing City Mayor Frederick W. Shaw to enter into and sign the contracts of services. First, with the 10 subsidized child development workers under CSWD, with the name of Elia Baby Girl Virgin B and et al. And also authorizing the Mayor Frederick W. Shaw to sign the contract of service of Attorney Anne Catherine Elko as Legal Officer 2 of the City Legal Office. And lastly, the contract of service of Mr. Rodney G. Diaz as Special Operation Executive Assistant 1 of the City Mayor's Office Illegal City Traffic Parking Management Office in accordance with the period and rate as mentioned in the respective contracts and subject to proper co-auditing rules. So move, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Yang, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Shakur, Member Tong. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 30 affirmative votes for the said omnibus motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, addendum number Iburo.
Mr. Chairman, I respectfully move for the approval of resolution authorizing Honorable City Mayor Frederick W. Shaw to enter into and sign the deed of donation between the Office of the President and the City Government of Iligan regarding the special financial assistance grant to the City Government of Iligan in the amount of 5 million pesos. The said amount is intended for individuals, communities, or group beneficiaries that were severely affected by Typhoon Tino, chargeable against the Social Civic Projects Fund. I so move, Mr. Chairman.
It has been moved by Member Igorong, seconded by Member Yang, Member Pacanya. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 30 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Next item, addendum for Member Pacanya.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary, Mr. Chairman. This is endorsement from the City Mayor, Frederick W. Shaw, respectfully endorse the 19th Council of the South Canada Council, the Atlantic Peace and Order Council Resolution Number 004, Series of 2025, entitled Resolution recommending the South Canada Council to declare the City of Iligan in a state of stable internal peace and security. So, Mr. Chairman, to approve this resolution.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Pacanya, seconded by Member Bungunte, Member Shakur, Member Igorong. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 30 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Next item, addendum number Lalasaban.
This is an solution committed to the Constitution in order to the City Mayor implement our investment program for this AIP number 3 for fiscal year 2025, containing programs, projects, and activities in the that amount of 57,890,000 pesos. So moved, Mr. Chairman.
It has been moved by Member Lalasaban, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Shakur. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect 30 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
An ordinance by the City Mayor proposed to commit the budget number 3 of the General Fund of the City of Government amount of 55,302,377 the Hague Consular Provision of RD 7160. For first reading, Mr. Mansubo.
First reading is approved.
I would like to dispense the second. I would like to go to the second reading.
Any second? It's been moved by Member Leo Sabal, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Del Monte, Member Siangco, Member Cumulo. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect. 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Mr. Chairman, I would like, since there is no amendments, I would like to move this for the third and final reading. Mr. Mansubo.
Second.
It's been moved by Member Leo Sabal, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Del Monte, Member Cumulo. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect. 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance.
The motion
Third
is
and final reading.
The motion is approved.
Next item, committee reports, Member Derek Xiao.
Yes, Member Xiao.
It's not here on my copy.
Katong third reading daw nimo. Kasahan.
This is in registry. I'm gonna put it differ. I'd like to report the public hearing for the Citizen Registry ordinance establishing the Citizen Registry in the city of Iligan, where approval is
Second.
It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Del Monte, Member Cumulo. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you may reflect. 13 affirmative votes for the said motion.
The motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, we go to calendar of business. Number 1, unfinished business. Member Siangco.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
the City Budget Officer forwarding the annual budget of sa mga kabataan in this month. Barangay Ticaño of the amount of 2,034,964. I move to refer Mr. Chairman and refer to the City Budget Office for clarification.
Noted. Member Xiao.
Next item, letter B. Member Kapampangan.
Noted.
Next item, we go to business of the day. 3 items for the first week.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. Good afternoon, Mr. Chairman. Item K2A, under business of the day. I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that the resolution be passed. This is a mass motion congratulating and commending the MSUI-IT National Multipurpose Cooperative for being awarded the prestigious first ever Green Gold Award in Asia by the Asian Confederation of Credit Unions during the Asian Credit Union Forum 2025 held last September 12 at Crown Manila Galleria, Ortigas, Manila, Philippines. Mass motion, Mr. Chairman. So,
Mass motion is approved.
another resolution, Mr. Chairman, requesting the City Mayor, Honorable Mayor Frederick Xiao, to allocate funds for the second phase renovation of the Iligan City Tourism Office. So moved, Mr. Chairman.
This will moved by Member Sweet, seconded by Member Yang, Member Del Monte. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Another resolution approving the project proposal for the Legal Integrated Livelihood Development Program 2026 to be charged against National Wealth Development and Livelihood. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Sui, seconded by Member Siakor, Member Pacanya. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Next item, Member Derek Shield.
Good afternoon again, Mr. Chair and Mr. Secretary. For the first one, this is a resolution jointly authored by me and Councilor Pichon Larasal. Councilor Randy Ong is also a co-author. This resolution is titled the Resolution requesting the DPWH for the installation of a traffic light at Tres Bonifacio Avenue, leave the city funding for Steve's Bake Shop to ensure the safety of pedestrians and motorists, especially students crossing the said area. For approval, Mr. Chair. So moved.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Ong. Any comment? Objection? Comment? Member Pacanya.
Just actually, the DPWH can install traffic light. Pumunta na lang ako na.
Sige.
Can the DPWH install a traffic light? Anyway, this is only a resolution. May problema, pero ako na lang pumunta na po. Yes.
I can answer that question, Mr. Chair. For the info of Councilor Pacanya, I coordinated with the office of Sir Ralph Olenta. He told me that the DPWH already that since the said area is on the main highway, it's under the jurisdiction of the DPWH. So sila ang
Yes, ako ay ka na sa National Highway na under the DPWH, but sa pupunta na ito ng traffic light dito, tara na sa highway. Isa naman under the city government of Biligan, LGU. Ako na rin pumunta na comment naman ako rin. Hindi ako objection but kailangan ko, pero comment lang ba? How could the DPWH install traffic light na sa Presidente? Bilagay na karoon ka ng traffic lights niya sa Indian City is under sa LGU. Well, anyway, okay na rin ba? Pinagiging resolution.
Sige. Okay. We will ask the DPWH if they can Any more comment? Any more comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next two items, Member Derek Shield.
Good afternoon again, Mr. Chair. The second resolution is titled the resolution institutionalizing the streamlined and digitalized building permits application system of the city government of Biligan and mandating immersive benchmarking of Valenzuela City. For approval, Mr. Chair. So moved.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Enguro. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next item, Member Derek Shield.
This is a proposed resolution entitled the resolution mandating systematic reforms in infrastructure processes through benchmarking and governance innovation. For approval, Mr. Chair. So
It has been moved by Member Xiao, seconded by Member Pacanya, Member Del Monte. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next item, addendum for Member Benitez.
Mr. Chair, endorsing a resolution entitled a resolution urging the local government of Iligan to fast track and facilitate the deployment of watchmen for public schools here in Iligan City. So move, Mr. Chair.
That's been moved by Member Belmonte, seconded by Member Pacania, Member Hong, Member Uno. Any comment? Yes, Member.
Mr. Chair, as a voting member of the local school board, the body has recently expressed concerns, Mr. Chair, because there is a lot of watchmen that has been waiting for deployment, more than 6 months now. So there's a lot of schools that don't have watchmen, and the roles of watchmen are very important in guarding the kids in the school. So we need that they will be more than 10 or 15 of them be deployed immediately. That is all, Mr. Chair.
Any other comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Next item for addendum, Member Lazar.
This is an ordinance for temporary road closure because of the night of the road was starting procession which will start at 6 a.m. on November 23, 2025. Starting in the area affected is Gulfmaker Cathedral at Quezon Avenue, starting and ending point. Then left turn to Cavite Avenue, Oltesano, then left turn to Aguinaldo Street, then left turn to Duke Street, then left turn and back to Cathedral. For first reading, is a maximum.
First reading is approved.
I would like to dispense and move to the third item.
This will moved by Member Razabal, seconded by Member Pacania, Member Hong, Member Puno. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you will 13 affirmative votes for said ordinance.
The motion is approved.
Next item for addendum, Member Sweet.
Thank you, Mr. Secretary. I respectfully move, Mr. Chairman, that a resolution be passed totalizing the 18-day campaign to end violence against women and enjoining all national government agencies, barangay local government units, private establishments, and civil society organizations in Iligan City to actively participate in and observe the campaign from November 25 to December 12 of every year. So move, Mr. Chairman.
It has been moved by Member Sweet, seconded by Member Yan, Member Sweet, Member Belmonte. Any comment? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
We go to the next item on our agenda, measures on second and third reading. First item, Member Benitez.
Mr. Chair, for second reading, endorsing an ordinance entitled An Ordinance Institutionalizing Republic Act Number 10699, otherwise known as the National Athletes and Coaches Benefits and Incentives Act, in the City of Iligan by providing local implementation mechanisms for the discounts and privileges of athletes and coaches and for other purposes. So move, Mr. Chair.
It has been moved by Member Belmonte, seconded by Member Yan, Member Ong, Member Pacania, Member Sweet. Any comment? Yes.
Mr. Chair, this proposed ordinance is like it's like this 20% senior citizens discount. So those participating establishments will give 20% discount to the athletes recognized by the Philippine Sports Commission or recognized by the local sports office, especially the ones competing outside of the country. So the basis for the benefits, the 20% discount, Mr. Chair, will be passed on to the local economic development investment promotions office. That is all, Mr. Chair.
Any other comment?
Mr. Chair, if the body is amenable with no corrections and amendments, may I move for the third and final reading, Mr. Chair?
Any second? It has been moved by Member Belmonte, seconded by Member Pacania, Members Yan, Member Sweet. Any comment? Objection?
Hearing no objection, you will 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Final reading.
The motion
Good afternoon again, Mr. Chair. I thought we were going to defer this ordinance to Monday, since you have to be first one to propose a second reading for proposed ordinance. Okay.
Noted. Different.
Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Next item, amendment the agenda, Ministry of Transportation.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is an ordinance regulating the operation of motorcycle taxis in the city of Iligan, providing the guidelines, rules, and penalties for other purposes. Before the motion, Mr. Chairman, I would like to manifest suggested by Councilor Bongkagan as the for inclusion section 4, letter C, driver, an individual with a personal driver's license duly registered under the inclusion is one an exclusive accredited motorcycle taxi company or cooperative. And another for inclusion, amendments for inclusion, Mr. Chairman, is section 7, letter C, motorcycle taxis shall strictly observe one passenger only per trip. Not allowed pregnant women, babies, excess baggage, senior citizens, PWD, and the inclusion is suggested by Councilor Bongkagan is who are not physically fit to ride as passenger. And the last one, Mr. Chairman, is section 8, letter F. Private compliance platforms shall ensure that only duly registered licensed CMTRD recognized drivers, the inclusion and registered under one and exclusive accredited motorcycle taxi company or cooperative are allowed to accept booking within the legal city. So I would like to move this for first reading.
First reading.
Second reading.
Second reading. Any second? It has been moved by Member Larrazabal, seconded by Member Belmonte. Any comment? Yes, Member Macania.
Just in case, motorcycle taxi. How about yung mga balabal? Wala, dito meron ba? Hindi ako pinuntahan ng mga balabal.
Hindi kasi cooperative isa. Registered cooperative.
Nagigiligan ko. Tinakapin ko kami para namang motorcycle, nakita na to. Ang sakay, gagdahan, nagtulog. May bata. So, delikado sila siya ba? May terpaksuran sila ng ilanak. Yung mga balabal, kita mo, di ba? Kita pinadagan. Kasi nag-level, nanda. Subangan, mga po, sa likod, mga po, ka na. Hindi man sila pwede. Manda kanila na maksimal na to. Hindi ka na duwa siguro, pero magpunan itong disgrasya niya, gamay na lang, ang pilang bata. Comment na niya po.
Noted, Member Macania. Any more comment? Objection.
Any objection, I bear reflect 13 affirmative votes for the said ordinance in second reading.
The motion is approved.
Next item, the agenda. Hearing that, we go to the next information hour.
Our next session will be on November 24, Monday at 10 a.m. Nagya ko tayo kaupos ko kaya ang i-take up na atong annual budget para Monday.
Nothing more on the table, Mr. Chair.
Any second? It has been moved by Member Burong, seconded by Member Macania. Yes, the session is adjourned.